To expand on the properties of the definite integral, let's delve deeper into the fundamental concepts. When integrating from a point to the same point, the resulting area under the curve collapses to zero since there is effectively no area under the curve. Now, what happens if we switch the direction of integration by flipping the limits? Well, in this case, a negative sign emerges in front of the integral. This occurrence illustrates how the reversal of integration direction transfers the outcome into a negative value. Moving on to the linearity principle, we find that the integral of a sum equals the sum of the individual integrals. Similarly, when dealing with the integral of a difference, the same additive property holds true. This characteristic beautifully showcases how integration seamlessly distributes over both addition and subtraction operations. In the realm of integration, there exists an intriguing relationship between a constant and a function being integrated. Specifically, when a constant is multiplied by a function and integrated, it can be factored out of the integral. This property sheds light on how constants interact within the process of integration, simplifying calculations. Moreover, consider a scenario where we can split the definite integral at a specific point within the integration limits. This maneuver highlights the flexibility and additivity of integration over various subsections within the overall integration range. Understanding these fundamental properties not only enriches your comprehension of integration, but also unveils its wide-ranging applications across calculus. Delving into real-world scenarios where definite integrals are utilized to determine areas, volumes, or solve continuous quantity problems serves as a practical application of these concepts. Fostering a deeper understanding of calculus involves exploring diverse integration techniques like substitution and integration by parts. These methods not only broaden your problem-solving skills, but also deepen your appreciation for the intricacies of calculus. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey.